Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm gonna talk about I want a discussion basically. I wanted to see what you guys thought on this, but basically Donald Trump has made an additional $100 billion for Chinese tariffs. So I'm gonna turn this around and I'm gonna show you what I mean. See, future falls as Trump seeks $100 billion in additional Chinese tariffs. Picture of Donald Trump. President Donald Trump saw it late Thursday to identify an additional $100 billion in tariffs on Chinese goods after both countries proposed $50 billion in taxes import from the others in a skating trading skirmish. Uh, yeah, so basically, this is not good for big companies. Like for example, right? AMD, they sell they sell a lot of product to China. One of their biggest market is in China. The PlayStation 5, if they ever make it, will probably be made in China. Uh, and then this good an iPhone. The iPhone is assembled in China. They get their parts all over the world, but it's put together in China and tested in China. So this is gonna affect Apple. Amazon has business in China. They sell product to consumers through the Amazon website in China. So that's gonna affect them. What else? Like a bunch of companies. Intel sells to China, so Intel is gonna get affected. Probably a bunch of food companies. Uh, will this cause a stock market crash? I want you guys to decide this for yourself. I think it could, especially if the Chinese government retaliates with their own $100 billion tariffs. And basically, Donald Trump and the Chinese government is just doing a pissing war and see who can tariff each other more. And like what, like another $100 billion after that? Like, it's ridiculous. Like that's like Donald Trump. Donald Trump. I think he means well. Like he's not like he's just very aggressive as a businessman, and that reflects it in basically being a president in the United States. He's trying to get the U.S. economy to recover, and he's trying to create jobs. He's trying to create America great again. That was his whole goal, and I think he's very determined to do it. And he's looking at every possible avenue, and he's like, why? What? Like he's probably looking at the Chinese market and like wondering why the Chinese people are getting away with basically taxing, like tariffing us like crazy, and we take their product for free. So that's why I think Donald Trump just like added tariffs. At least that's what I think. I'm not 100% positive if before this was there any tariffs that Chinese goods coming in, or but I Donald Trump really needs a way to make money, because he's already lowering taxes for these corporations, right? So he needs to reflect that somewhere else. So he's basically taking it out on the Chinese government. He's so I mean, you guys can hate Donald Trump, you guys can like Donald Trump. Well, like my thing is, how is this going to affect the weed industry? It's not. Like honestly, the cannabis industry is not really going to be affected by this because they have no relationship to China or the United States. Right now, their focus is on Europe and basically Canada and Australia. So like how would this affect the Canadian cannabis industries? So I don't think it would, but this would definitely affect American companies. So for people who hold stocks in America, and if this crash happens, it's probably gonna affect cannabis stocks too, because we get most of our money from the United States. Like most of the reason why these stocks are so inflated is because Wall Street and a bunch of like big companies and mutual fund managers are investing into our Canadian cannabis companies. Because of Canopy's Constellation brand deal, it basically awakened these big money guys and like, oh, holy crap, if Constellation brand is investing into Canopy, they must see something, and the cannabis market must be huge. So then a bunch of Wall Street people and mutual fund managers probably went in and invested into Royal Canopy, and that's why the stock price literally, like, I don't know, 200-300% in a matter of like 2 months or even like a month. So yeah, that's, I mean, like, I see potential in the cannabis industry. I see that like it could easily be the next tobacco company in the next 5 years, maybe 10. It might take 10 years, but at least 5 years we will see some really, really good results from these cannabis industries. At least the big ones anyways. The small ones that don't go international, they might get bought out or they might go bankrupt, or I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, it's a very interesting time. The stock market could crash because of Donald Trump, but I want you guys to tell me what you think about Donald Trump and his tariff thing. You think it's gonna cause a market crash? You think this is gonna blow over? You think something else is gonna cause a stock market crash? Please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you dislike this video, please give me a thumbs down. Subscribe for future updates. And have a good day. Bye.